everybody, Adrian LaFosse here with the Columbia New Home Buyer Service. You can find us online at columbianewhomebuyer.com. Today we're doing a BuildWatch. BuildWatch is a video diary series where we watch a home being built from the ground up. And it is August 22nd, 2018. We are in the Blythewood, South Carolina neighborhood of Amber Creek. This is an Ashley being built by Hurricane Builders. This is a BuildWatch video where we watch a home being built from the ground up. It's a free included service when you are a client of mine. And so we're checking up. It's been about 2.5 weeks, I think, since the last time we were here. And we've got walls since we've been here. And we got siding mostly done. So let's go inside. All right, this is lot 36 in Amber Creek, Ashley floor plan. I'm actually doing videos of a similarly timed Ashley. It's lot 7, so this is lot 36. So you've got the formal dining room here, or office, whatever you like. Nice archways throughout. So we're looking in to the family room with an optional fireplace there. If you didn't put it in the fireplace, this wall would just go to a corner and flat, 90-degree angle. Okay, we're going to come back to that, and we're going to look at this side of the house. If you're standing on the street, it's the left side of the house. It's a left front secondary bedroom with a linen closet and a bathroom right here. Always love to have windows, if you can, in a bathroom. Natural light. And then you've got the sink and the toilet right there. And then another linen closet and another secondary bedroom. So that's 2 secondary bedrooms, 2 linen closets, and in the middle is a partridge in a pear tree. No, it's actually a bathroom. All right, so another angle here of the front of the house, the formal dining room, living room, whatever you like, family room here, and we're going to walk through this hallway here and look to our left, and you've got the kitchen. So right here is the refrigerator, stove, microwave, eat-in kitchen, morning room right there. And you got the dishwasher right there and the sink right there. All right, so now we're pointed towards the front of the house and actually towards the 2-car garage. And you've got this utility type room, some people call it a mud room, where you've got the washer and the dryer. And of course your 2-car garage here. And your kitchen and your family room. But we've got, last but not least, you got a coat closet right here, but then the master with a tray ceiling. And then this leads to the master bath You see the closet back there, so there'll be a double sink vanity there, toilet right there, master closet. You've got the stand-up shower with a seat. Always love and have a seat in the stand-up shower in the master. Don't always have them, but I really enjoy having them. So, and then the garden tub. And that is it. This house looked totally different about two and a half weeks ago when I was last here. We've got walls, so what do we expect to see next though? Looks like the doors are coming soon. Most definitely cabinets. Maybe even some flooring, especially vinyl's usually done first. Baseboards. The electrical finishes and the plumbing finishes. So we're closing in about 5 weeks. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. You can find more on YouTube. Just search for Columbia SC New Homes. You can't miss our videos. Do lots of BuildWatch videos, videos of completed tours of various builder plans and whatnot. And be sure to visit us at ColumbiaNewHomeBuyer.com, and because we specialize in representing buyers of new homes, not builders, there's no cost for our services. All right, we'll see you on the next one.